Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If angles ADC and BDC are right angles, find the value of x plus y. The information that these two angles are both right angles is not required here. We can say in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is due to angle sum property of the triangle. Now angle A has 45 degrees of measure, angle B has 50 degrees, and angle C is x plus y, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So what we have here is 45 plus 50 is 95. So 95 plus x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore x plus y is equal to 180 minus 95. This is equal to 85 degrees. So answer is option B.